Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. I ordered from the KKW website. Finally, I've been wanting to try some of Kim Kardashian's contour products for makeup products. Super excited. I am going to use them. I'm not going to use them today, but I'm going to haul them for you and I'm going to swatch them and I'm going to give you my initial thoughts. So if you want to see what I got from the website, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it comes. I've actually opened everything. I haven't swatched everything, although I have been wearing the lip liner, which I'm wearing now, and her lip color. So they're both in, let's see, nude 1, I think. And yeah, they're both nude 1. So I'm gonna swatch those for you so you can see what they look like, not on my lips, but I have been wearing them on the daily. It is like my new favorite nude lip combo. And then sometimes I'll tell you what I wear over it. But look at how cute she packages her stuff. Like, so something comes in here, and then this is the lip liner, which I'm using. And they're all like individually packed. So that's so cute. So anyways, let's get into it. Whoops. Okay, it's been so long. I had ordered this before we went on vacation, and now I forgot what I had bought. But so for this first bag, I'm gonna save these bags. They're so cute, and they're like resealable. That was a mouthful. Okay, so I really wanted to try her contour sticks. And I love the packaging. I love that if the lighting looks different, it's because I'm like sitting in front of a window, so I'm using mostly natural lighting because all my equipment is still downstairs in the garage. All right, so this one is medium. So this is, I believe, let's see, where am I gonna, I'll do it right here. It's a highlighting stick, and it almost looks like a champagne color. So you can see that that's really what it looks like. So that is super pretty. So we're just swatching these. They feel really creamy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow one of her tutorials, and I'm gonna use her stuff, how she uses it, and see if I can turn myself into Kim Kardashian. Okay, and so this is the other contour stick, and it's in light medium. I'm sorry, that was the highlighter, and this is the contour stick. So I wasn't sure, like, I thought, should I get them dark, or should I just get like what my shade would really be, which this is what, oh, that's so pretty, and they're super creamy, really easy to apply. That is a pretty color. I hope it's not too light for me, but we can always make this work. You know how she uses this like right under here to like, see how it makes your lip, it gives it a shadow, so it gives your appearance like your lip is pouty. That is so cute. Okay, so those are the contour sticks. Let me swatch. Okay, the lip liner that I'm wearing is, so this is nude 1, and I've had to sharpen it already because like I'm using it daily. So this is the lip liner. It is so freaking pretty. The best lip liner. Like this one and my Kat Von D, like these are my go-to. Like you can tell that I'm wearing it already. So love, love, love. The only thing that I don't like about this is the cap like does not sit tightly, so it actually falls off sometimes. So Kim, if you're watching, please fix the caps. Okay, so the lipstick is also in nude 1. So this is what it looks like. And sometimes I mix it because it's like a nude pink, but it's like a creamy, like it's got some white in it, and you'll see So you see that? So sometimes if you're just using it alone, or if you put like a ton on, like I just basically do this, and then I do it on top, and then I smush it in. Okay, and this is what I've been doing also sometimes. Now this is not from the KKW, but this is the Flower Beauty Galaxy Glaze, and it is number 10. And so this is just so pretty. I'm gonna, even though this is, I'm gonna swatch this for you so you can see what it looks like here and then on top. Isn't that pretty? So I'm gonna put it on top because this is kind of like what I've been doing. Yes, that's what I've been doing. That's my perfect nude lip right there. So you can use other glosses if you have them. I think Over the Top by Joseph Colors. Also the Fenty, the first one that they came out with, I forget what the name of that is, but I think that would also be really nice. So, or if you have any sort of like nude gloss, you can put over it. All right. So the other thing that I ordered, which, gosh, I wish I would have tried this, but I have not tried it. But like I said, we're going to try it. And this is her blending sponge. So it looks like this. I have not used it at all. And it feels pretty firm, firmer than like the Beauty Blender, but I'm excited to get this wet and use it. I like that it has a flat side because I really like to use the Beauty Blender under here, and I feel like this would be like really fun, or you could use it for cream highlighter, and yeah, and I want to use it to blend out the contours. So I just thought I'd give this a try. So I got free shipping, although they don't give you any discounts. She had like her, like this whole, like the Bible set, I don't know what it's called, but she had that on sale, but that wasn't really something that interested me. I would have bought a palette, a makeup palette. I would have bought a makeup palette, but with all this stuff, I already had spent like a little over $100. And so I was like, okay, that's next time. But in this last one, I loved watching her use this, which is her, so it's the KKW Beauty Powder Contour and Highlight Kit in medium. So I know I got the cream contours, but I really wanted to try both, and I got this one. So you can get it alone, or you can get the set, which is cheaper, with the brush. I really wanted to try one of her brushes. So yeah, I just think they look really cute. They look like those old barber brushes, and they have KKW Beauty on there. Yeah, so I just thought that they were cute, and these are what the colors look like. Let me swatch them for you. So I'll start with the darkest. So there's two contours. Let me move a little bit. Okay, let me do the other contour. And I know some of these, like this one, I feel like I could use as a blush, I guess, which is the reason why I had picked this up. And then this is a highlighter. It's like, I feel like a tinge of lavender right there. And so this is the last highlighter here. So that's it right there. So I feel like the only one who didn't swatch really well is this color right here, but they're supposed to be used on your face, not your arm, so that really doesn't bother me. But I'm super excited about using this contour palette. I thought about getting this in cream as well, because I have been liking cream products, but I thought, let me try the powder first and then use the cream contour sticks. And I think that would be a really fun tutorial. Let me fill this. That's nice. Let me see. I'm gonna use this just real quick. I know we're gonna do another tutorial, which I think is gonna be super fun. That even, what is it? Is there like a shadow right there? It's very shadowy. That's why I don't like to film just in natural light, because you can't control natural light. You can control your light boxes and your umbrella lights. All right, I'm excited about trying this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna try the highlighter. I thought we weren't gonna try it. I'm using my finger. Let me use this. Okay, you can't really see that over like what I have. So, okay guys, these are the swatches. I think these are some, look at those contour sticks. I love those colors. And the lipstick, the lip liner, the gloss that I was using, and these are the contour powders. I'm gonna be using their hair sponge, which I'm super excited about using this brush. So, all right guys, that is the end of my KKW haul. Let me know if you saw something that you liked. What are you excited about seeing me try? Leave all those in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.